We've all experienced it. The thrill of a shiny new car, a brand new phone, or the latest fashion. But have you noticed how quickly that excitement fades? Before you know it, you're eyeing something else, craving the next upgrade. This isn't just a random feeling. It's called the hedonic treadmill, a concept backed by science. Today, we're going to explore why constantly chasing the next big thing won't make you happier, and why embracing simplicity might be the key to true happiness. Let's dive in. Imagine you're running on a treadmill. No matter how fast you go, you're still in the same spot. That's what happens with your happiness when you constantly upgrade your life. You buy a new car or phone and it feels great, but soon that excitement wears off and you're back to wanting more. Scientists call this phenomenon the hedonic treadmill. Studies have shown that once you have enough money to cover your basic needs, food, shelter, healthcare, getting more doesn't significantly increase happiness. We quickly adapt to our new circumstances, and what once felt like a huge improvement becomes the new normal. Then the cycle begins again. Buy more, feel a momentary high, and soon crave something else. Take your last phone upgrade, for example. When you first got it, everything was faster, sleeker, and more exciting. But how long did that thrill last? Before you knew it, you were already thinking about the next model. It's not just phones, it's cars, houses, clothes, even social status. Social media only makes this worse. It's like an endless stream of curated lives that push us to keep up. A report by Credit Karma found that 39% of people in the UK felt pressured by social media to spend more money to appear successful or happy. The need to constantly flex on social platforms traps us in this relentless pursuit of more. But here's the twist. Choosing to opt out of this race can bring you more happiness. When you decide to live below your means, stop competing with others and focus on your own financial security, that sense of peace will far outweigh the short-lived satisfaction of a new purchase. You're stepping off the treadmill and reclaiming your happiness. When I started my career in investment banking, I got sucked into the cycle of looking successful. I bought designer clothes, drove an expensive car, and lived like I had it all. On the outside, it seemed like I was winning. But the reality, my bank account told a different story, and I was stuck in a job I didn't enjoy. I was on that same treadmill, earn money, spend it on things, and hope happiness would follow. Spoiler alert, it didn't. Eventually, I realized I had no freedom of choice. I was trapped in a high-paying job I didn't love, tied to a lifestyle I didn't even need. That's when I made a change. For almost 2 years, I slashed my spending on luxuries to almost zero. Instead, I invested in myself, learning new skills, expanding my education, and focusing on my business. That shift gave me the financial security to walk away from a six-figure job. Now I travel when I want, work on what I'm passionate about, and live on my terms. That freedom? It's priceless. And trust me, it beats the fleeting joy of any new purchase. Instead of following the cycle of earning and spending, I focused on building long-term security. The freedom to walk away from something that doesn't serve you? That's true wealth. We've all heard the phrase, more money, more problems, and there's truth to it. When your lifestyle matches your income, buying a bigger house, fancier car, or luxurious items, you start living in survival mode. You can't afford to lose your job or take risks because your expenses are so high. Upgrading one aspect of your life usually triggers a domino effect. Buy a luxury car? That comes with higher maintenance costs, insurance, and everything else. Yahoo Finance reported that maintaining brands like BMW and Mercedes-Benz can be nearly 3 times more expensive than entry-level cars like Honda or Toyota. But here's the key. The bigger the gap between your income and expenses, the more freedom and peace of mind you'll have. With fewer financial commitments, you can take risks, pursue new opportunities, or simply take a break when you need it. This concept ties into the popular KonMari method, where you only keep what truly sparks joy. The same applies to your finances. By focusing on what matters and cutting out the unnecessary, you create space for peace, clarity, and well-being. So, why is looking poor so important for your happiness? It's not about deprivation. It's about rejecting the endless cycle of consumption and finding freedom in simplicity. By stepping off the hedonic treadmill, you free yourself from the constant need for more. You gain the power to live authentically, focus on what really matters, and build lasting happiness. If you found this insightful, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into building financial freedom and lasting happiness.